Welcome to our Sanskrit.com. This is lesson 33.
In the previous lesson, lesson 32, we looked at the causative. In this lesson, we will look at some other secondary conjugations like the intensive, the desiderative, and the denominative. A secondary conjugation is one in which a whole system of conjugations is formed from a derivative conjugation stem rather than the root itself. This is also connected with a modification of the sense of the root. The main secondary conjugations are the passive, the causative, the intensive, the desiderative, and the denominative. We have already considered the passive in lesson 26 and the causative in lesson 32. In this lesson, we will look at the others. The intensive is also called the frequentative. The intensive conjugation signifies the repetition or intensification of the action expressed by the primary conjugation of the root. The intensive is not commonly used in classical Sanskrit, but it was quite common in ancient Sanskrit. The intensive stem is formed by a strong reduplication and it is inflected like verbs of class 3. Using this, all conjugations can be formed. From the root with, we can get the present indicative conjugation veveti, vevitta, vevidati. The sense of the desiderative is to indicate desire to perform the action of the verb. For example, let us take the root pa, drink. Pibati, simple present, means he drinks. Pipasati, desiderative, means he wishes to drink. The formation of the stem and the conjugation are given here. The desiderative also allows for the formation of derivative verbal nouns and adjectives. One key derivation is the adjective in u. For example, chikirshu means desiring to do. The denominative conjugation has a noun as its basis. It is a verb made from a noun. If the noun from which the denominative is made is X, then the meaning of the denominative could be any of the following. The denominative stem is made by adding ya to the noun and it is conjugated like any thematic verb in the present system. Some examples of the denominative are given here. In classical Sanskrit, any noun with sometimes small changes in the stem can be combined with any of the forms of kr or bhu. This then forms a kind of denominative. Some examples are given here. This is the end of lesson 33. In this lesson, we looked at the secondary conjugations, the intensive, the desiderative, and the denominative.